Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes from around the world. Today we're paying homage to Japan and making teriyaki tofu. Although made with simple ingredients, it's surprisingly flavorful and aromatic. So let's get started. For this we'll need 1 block of tofu. First we'll remove the tofu from its packaging and drain any excess water. Then, using a tofu press here, we'll place the tofu into the middle basket and apply pressure to squeeze out the remaining liquid with the 2 rubber bands on the side and turn the clasps to tighten. We like this press because it's sturdy, super easy to clean, and stores well. We place a link in the video description below if you're interested in getting one. Once tofu is sufficiently pressed, we can prepare it to be air fried. We'll remove the tofu from the press and pat it dry. This is an extra firm tofu. We usually press, freeze, defrost, and press again for a firmer texture. It takes a little bit of time and planning, but the results are worth it. Then in a large bowl, we'll add some cornstarch to the bottom to help prevent sticking. Then, instead of using a knife, as we typically do, we'll break the tofu pieces with our hand. This is going to create some rough edges. The rough edges will hold on to the cornstarch batter, and as it fries, that'll make it really nice and crispy. Now we'll add a little bit more cornstarch and give it a shake so all the tofu pieces are coated with the cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can also use rice flour or potato starch. They both work well to create a crispy texture. For flavoring, next we'll add a little soy sauce. Then about a tablespoon of cooking oil, along with a dash of rice wine vinegar for a bit of tanginess, and a couple of tablespoons of water. This will create a very light batter, which will help the tofu crisp up nicely. Then, using a silicone spatula, we'll gently turn the tofu over to coat all the pieces, being careful to avoid breaking them any further. If you're new to Berry Life, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to follow our channel. We're uploading recipes every week and you don't want to miss out. That's it. Now we'll lay these out on a parchment-lined tray, being sure to keep a little space between them so they can fry evenly. Then we're off to the air fryer and set the temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll place the tray in the air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Everyone's air fryer is a little bit different. In a wok over medium heat, we'll add a little bit of sesame oil and allow it to heat up. And to it, add grated ginger and minced garlic. This will form the foundation of the sauce. We'll keep stirring and cook it until fragrant. We prep the ginger and garlic by freezing them into cubes. This makes it super easy to put together recipes like this. Then to it, we'll add some cooking wine. This will help deglaze the wok and collect all those flavorful bits from the bottom. Then go in with the soy sauce as the base. We're using the low sodium variety, and brown sugar. This is supposed to be a savory and sweet sauce. We'll bring this mixture to a gentle boil and allow the flavors to meld. What do you call a teriyaki sauce with a great sense of humor? A saucy comedian. Once boiling, we'll mix together a tablespoon of cornstarch into a tablespoon of cold water to make this cornstarch slurry. Then pour it into the sauce mixture in the wok with a flourish. The flourish is important because you don't want the slurry collecting in one place and forming clumps. Once mixed in, we'll continue to stir until it combines evenly and the sauce begins to thicken. This looks perfect. Now we can turn off the heat and to it add our air fried tofu pieces. And give it a toss so all the pieces are coated evenly with the sauce. And add a little garnish of green onions. That's it, teriyaki tofu is done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments your favorite tofu recipe. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to help support our channel. There you have it, teriyaki tofu, a taste of Japan right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!